Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, January the 8th, 2024. And today it's 93 days ago. Yeah, another war started between the Israelis and the Hamas. And this will be the binary puzzle number 7759. Yeah. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and four of them, 4 out of 7, I will do in the evening. But let me continue with this one, the binary puzzle. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's, double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Go back to the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. And then. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O once, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Here I need to think. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between those comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Yeah. I'm stuck. We have here 3. We have here 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Yeah, I'm stuck. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Even place number 5 here. Then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. It should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Yeah. Number 1 here. We have an O's here. Well. Here we also have 4 O's. Number 1 is here. Huh? This row. And that row. Alright. Let me compare. O. Empty box. O. 1. O. 1. 1. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Number 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stuck again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Oh no, it's not the same. Not the same. Almost the same. Yeah, it's the okay. Well, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. This one is not easy. Not easy. Well. Cannot compare. Well. Almost the same. Ay. We'll compare this one. Yeah! This row. And that row. Well. 1 empty box. 1 empty box. 1. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Alright, then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. And here need to compare again. I think. Let me see. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The last comparing. We have a double 1 here. No, cannot fill this yet. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. Oh. No, this is not the same. But here. Oh. 1, oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, almost the same. So I cannot compare the columns, I believe. Oh no, we have one column, this one. Oh, and oh, okay. Oh, no, not the same here. We need to compare the rows. Double 1 here. No, double 1s. How about the O and the 1 here? This I cannot compare. O and 1 here. The 1, oh, yeah. No. Not the same here. Almost the same. Double 1 here. Double. Yeah, we got you. This one. And the last one. Alright. Oh. Empty box. Empty box 1, 1. Oh. 1. Oh, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. And we have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 11 minutes. Well. Need to compare several times. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.